What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So as you can see in the title, I am going to be doing an unboxing, and that unboxing is on my Canon G7X Mark II. As you can see, your girl has already opened the package. I just couldn't wait. I ordered mine from Target, and they ship it from this brand called Adorama cameras. They have just about every camera you can think of on their website. As long as I've been looking for a vlogging camera, this is the main one that comes up. So I was like, okay, you know what? I gotta do my review on this and see what this camera is all about. So my camera that I currently have, which I'm filming on right now, is the Sony a6000. I got that about 3 years ago, two or 3 years ago, somewhere around there. So this is the box. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Like I said, there's a 1, 2, and 3. Of course, there's a 1, but there's a 3 also. So let's get to unboxing. So this is what it looks like inside. Of course, I had some instructions on how to work with the camera. They send you a little thing to sign up for warranty. And so what I like about this is they have like a little wall. I don't know what you would call this. It's a battery charger, so you don't have to have cords flying everywhere. You just have the battery charger. You put the battery in this little thing and just plug it into the wall. Cute and compact. I like that it lets you know when the camera is on a full charge, so that is neat to me. Ooh, y'all, excuse Aiden and Ryan in the back, they are cutting up. So anyways, they send you this, and this is just to hold on your wrist. Of course, I'm a little clumsy, so this is something that I would really need to be able to keep my camera on my arm and not drop it. And here it is. Look how cute and compact this is, you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna ever use this for a sit-down camera. I may just use it for vlogging, I don't know. What sold me is the flip-up screen, so that I can monitor what I'm doing, what I'm looking like, what I need to fix, whether I'm in focus or not. And that's what I'm really excited about, because with the camera that I have now, it only flips up like halfway. I don't know. They're so loud. I don't know why they made that camera like that. I'm sure they had their reasons, but yeah, it's pretty hard, especially when I can't tether to my computer and be able to monitor myself while I'm filming. So as you know, if anybody has a YouTube channel, if you have a camera that does not have a flip out screen, you having to steady get up, make sure you're in focus, make sure all the lighting is good, versus having it tethered to a computer or having a flip up screen where you can always monitor what you're doing. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the battery in and power on the camera. Battery in like that. Wait, am I putting it in right? Yeah, you just put the battery in like that, and it just sticks in there. I now have my SD card. I try to get the SD cards with the highest amount of storage. This is Extreme Plus. It is 64 gigabytes, so it has 16 hours of filming time. It's like this. Now for the time that we have been waiting for. This is what it looks like. Very cute, compact. I like this handle strip that they got here, making it easy to hold. The on and off button is here. All of your little options on however you want to film and or whatever is here. I really don't know what that is, so don't ask me. More buttons here. So this is the flip up screen. Flip it down, bring it out. All of that. Let me turn it on now. Right now it's asking me to set the date and time. Let's see. Oh my God. 4K. Oh. Put it to the side. Hold on. We recording. You ready? Up. You ready? Up. Oh, I ain't gonna know how to act. Look at the color. Look how vivid these colors are. I'm gonna have to focus myself and look in the camera instead of the viewfinder. But right now, can we please appreciate how this camera is working? One thing I do like about it is that you could press it, being that it's touchscreen, and just focus in on where you need to focus in at. Whoo, child. Do I think it was worth every penny? I do. I also have this. I was using it on my Sony camera, which is my tripod. It's a Gorilla Pod. I really like this. With this Gorilla Pod, for my vloggers out there, it bends, does whatever you need to do. So just really flexible. My camera here went dead, but like I said, all you're just gonna do is screw that in like so, and we vlogging. Oh, did I zoom it in or something? That's the zoom in. Only thing is, compared to my camera right now, it does not focus as fast, but overall I love the quality of everything compared to my camera that I do have now. Don't get me wrong, the one I have now is my baby, but still, this is just giving me 4K vibes, and it is. Another thing that I like about this camera, it is Wi-Fi certified, so you can easily just transfer your pictures over to your phone. You don't have to plug it into a computer or anything like that. So anyways, I will be giving you guys updates as I begin to work on the camera more. If you want to get real tech savvy with it, it's 20.1 megapixels. It goes from f1.8 to 2.8, and that's a 24 millimeter wide angle lens. And alright guys, so that was the end of this video or review, demo, whatever. I hope this helped somebody that is currently looking for a new camera or vlogging camera or whatever the case may be. I'm gonna have to work with the camera a little bit more. My main thing was finding a vlogging camera that has the flip up screen and that was more compact, that I could just fit into my purse when need be. The camera that I have now is kind of a little bit too big to be out vlogging with, in my personal opinion. I know they have some people that vlog with huge cameras with the microphone hooked up or whatever, but that's just not me. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, ask any questions that you may have on any of my other YouTube gear. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.